I decided to go because I would think it would be fun to be on the college campus.
It was because the reason I chose to go was I wanted to experience what it was sort of like and see what would happen in college and kind of get used and see where I want to go in the future.
I signed up because I wanted to see what it was like to go to a college and like the college experience, and also for some of the food. It was pretty cool going to the buffet with all the different types of cuisine from around the world.
It was just something that I could do over the summer. There's no real reason. I just thought it would be fun.
I saw it as an opportunity to see maybe what college is like, as well as seeing it as like a higher level because I'm not even in high school yet. Seeing what, the campus looks like, and also as a field trip, just general.
I didn't want to go initially. Honestly, my mom just said, "Oh yeah, you should go. Everyone else, what's going on."
I don't really remember much. I think I was excited though, considering I'd been on one of these field trips before and it was pretty fun.
So probably one of my favorite things I did in UMass was on the second day, we played with like some robotics with like, I forgot what it was called, but it had something to do with Queen in the name. And we were able to like make it move and stuff.
I'd probably say going through like the buildings and the cafeteria, obviously, because the food
Food is the best.
I learned a lot about STEM, and while we were there was a activity about robots that the volunteers showed us, and we learned that there's like many trials and errors that you have to go through to get what you need in your goal.
It was pretty cool. It's better than being here. I feel like there was a lot of good mentors over there.
I don't know, I thought it was interesting that they showed us their robots. Like, They didn't show us anything. But they showed us like trial and error in their robots. Like one fell over and they obviously had to give it a break. And then they showed us a bigger one and one that was still being made. But I thought that was interesting.
So when we did the building the little robots at the end, I feel like it just made me want to build more stuff.
It was this like little shed we went to.
The arts and crafts.
The arts and crafts place. And they had all these like working gears and like this foldable chair, and they were working on a go-kart too, and it was very cool.
Okay, I feel like it teaches people more about like STEM education and how to like work with robots, and you can like get a lot of money doing that.
Some of my favorites were eating in the dining hall. It was amazing. I also enjoyed making the robots towards the end of the day, the second day, and I really just enjoyed exploring and seeing around the campus. Another one of my favorite things was when we got to see the Ninja Turtle statue and inside of the library, which I think they said is the third tallest brick structure in the world and the tallest library in the world.
That was really cool.
It was pretty cool. It was like some statue type thing that the author or the creators
Sculptures?
Yes.
My favorite thing, I liked making the apps on the phone, and I liked the robots.
Well, when we were having our free time, I noticed this game system. It was called a cherry pie. It was like this really cool, like coded system that someone made instead of having like a PlayStation or something.
Yeah, we got to like code. It was like pre-built like robots that like rolled around and stopped when there was something in front of them. Yeah, we got to program them, and then like they rolled around and stuff. It's pretty fun.
I liked I think it was the makerspace.
Yeah, I liked the makerspace and the library.
I think it even applies to like real life, not only school. I feel like it's obviously a lesson that teachers and just people in general keep on bringing up, but it's very useful in the real world and school because everyone goes through mistakes, and it takes a few times to get it right.
I think it applies to school because, as she said, with mistakes, like with trial and error, seeing how not only like as younger kids get trial and error, but like older kids still, as college kids, are getting through mistakes to go through still with it.
Yeah, I feel like it made it more normalized and just kind of like everyone's in it together in community.
Probably like an engineer or something, but my parents want me to be a doctor, so maybe started engineering, then worked my way to doctor.
I'll probably go with like computer science because I got student of the month for technology this year, and I really like computer science, so that would be something I would enjoy.
I see myself being a college student, learning about more stuff, so that way I can like get degrees and stuff.
I agree with him because college is like a minor thing because more kids are like dropping out nowadays, and you actually get more knowledge, and then you actually have an advantage to getting like a job or something. Culinary for me.
Culinary.
Culinary and technology.
I want to get into like robotics technology.
Robotics. Technology.
I have a feeling I do because I want to learn more about like art and ways I can produce different styles, and then once again culinary technology science.
Right.
Because I just really loved the way everything worked and was connected, and I feel like it'd be fun to go there with all the different programs I can do.
I can see myself going there because it's a really nice campus and all the professors there are good. And
another reason I'd want to go is because inside of the campus they have like a little cafe that the students can go to and work at, so I could go there and practice more of my culinary and try to make my own recipes.
I don't know what I don't want to do as a career, but a trade school might be nice, but I also want to like see what other schools are out there. I already have a school in mind, but I haven't visited the campus yet.